Ever pondered the importance of cloud security? In a world where data breaches are, unfortunately, a common occurrence, it's crucial to have a robust security system in place. If you're using Amazon Web Services, or AWS, one of the most effective ways to safeguard your cloud resources is by using AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to understanding and implementing AWS IAM. AWS IAM is a web service that helps control access to AWS resources. It's like the bouncer at a club, deciding who gets in and who doesn't. Through IAM, you can create users, groups, roles, and policies to manage permissions. The first step is to create an IAM user. This is an entity with its own set of security credentials. To create a user, navigate to the IAM console and click on Users, then Add User. Fill in the necessary details, including the username and the access type. The second step is to assign permissions to the user. Permissions determine what actions a user can perform on an AWS resource. You can either attach existing policies directly or create a new policy with custom permissions. Next, you can group users with similar permissions together. This is done by creating IAM groups. To create a group, go to the IAM console, click on Groups, then Create New Group. You can then add users to the group and attach policies to it. Another key component of AWS IAM is roles. Roles are a secure way to grant permissions to entities that you trust. To create a role, navigate to the IAM console. Click on Roles, then Create Role. Select the type of trusted entity and the use case, and then define permissions for the role. Lastly, there are IAM policies, which are documents that define permissions. Policies can be attached to users, groups, or roles. To create a policy, go to the IAM console, click on Policies, then Create Policy. You can either use the visual editor to create a policy or write one in JSON format. In summary, AWS IAM is a powerful tool to manage access to your AWS resources. Remember these key points. First, always create individual IAM users rather than using your AWS root account. This helps limit access to your resources. Second, grant least privilege, which means giving users only the permissions they need to perform their tasks. Third, use groups to assign permissions to multiple users, which can simplify permission management. Fourth, use IAM roles for applications that run on EC2 instances. This is more secure than storing access keys on the instances. And finally, regularly review and rotate security credentials. By following these practices, you can effectively secure your cloud infrastructure with AWS IAM. Remember, in the world of cloud security, vigilance is key. Stay secure and keep exploring the vast possibilities that the cloud has to offer.